Hey everybody, it's Andy. I know it's been a long time since my last video, but things have been very busy for me. However, I just got this in the mail and I thought I had to film something showing my first impressions and unboxing. So, this is coming in from Goruck. It actually got here last week, but I was away, so I'm just getting to opening it right now. All right. And in here we have the Caden Bullet, the Caden Field Pouch, the Caden GR2, a little Goruck dog sticker, and a some advertising fitness sticker. Anyway, I was able to get the Kaiden Capsule bundle from the Carryology collab, and I thought I would open all of these and show you how they look. So first, let's start with the field pocket, just because this didn't come wrapped in any plastic. This is the GR2 size field pocket. In comparison, here's a GR1 field pocket. It's a bit smaller, and they still use 4 rows of MOLLE this way, but this one has 3 of these, where this one only has 2. Anyway, on the front, we have this nice X-Pack material, nice and crinkly, and a black USA reverse flag. We got the zippers. These are actually very smooth for the UltraGuard or the YKK AquaGuard zippers. And then on the inside, we got Goruck Carryology GR2 Field built in the USA. And it's got that nice orange liner, the pocket here, the mesh here, and the other pocket here. And then this has the PALS or MOLLE, whatever it is, which will be used to attach to the other 2 bags. So setting that aside, let's look next at the bullet. All right, so this one I'm very excited about. This is a Bullet 15, and it came packed pretty flat. So one of the things that they were going for was for a 1-bag travel, you might put a flat bag inside a bigger bag. Here's that flat bag. And on the front, we have this gorgeous patch. You can see that nice, like, I don't even know how to describe it, that fancy, cool art inspired. I don't know, it's a leather-esque patch. It's very neat. And then we have the normal 3 lines of webbing up front, the AquaGuard zipper here, nice orange interior, and then here we have the back of the X-Pack. We have the main compartment with the same inner pocket there, Goruck Carryology Bullet Ruck built in the USA, upper pocket, mesh pocket, and then what makes this really exciting is on the back here, we have the quick access pocket, similar to what they put on the GRXC1 and the newer Goruck Heritage. So you can stick something right back there without opening the main compartment. I think that's my favorite addition to this. And now looking at this compared to my fiance's blue Bullet 15, they're pretty much, same shape, same size. This one's packed full. The main differences are, once again, this is X-Pack, this is the Cordura. We have the AquaGuard zippers here, and for AquaGuard, these are very smooth. Not as smooth as the normal ones, but still much smoother than some of the other bags I've seen in AquaGuard. And then on the back, here we have the Velcro for the hydration bladder access, whereas over here we have the quick access pocket. Personally, I'm a water bottle guy, so I definitely prefer the quick access pocket. All right, so let's set these aside and bring over the GR2. All right, this is a GR2, the 34-liter size, which personally I think is the better size. Let's get a nice look up that patch at the front. Here's another one, very cool design. All right. And then we have the same as a normal GR2 with the front. We have the 4 rows of webbing here. They don't have the webbing on the side. So if you wanted to add a water bottle, you're out of luck for this one. You're not going to be able to put a water bottle attachment on the side, but you can still stick the field pocket on if you want. Over here we have the front pocket. This one is covered by the rain shield, like a normal, but on the side, these zippers are not covered by the rain shield. So for those of you who had a GRXC1 and you found that the rain shield made it hard to zip or unzip, that's not a problem here. This is pretty easy to zip and unzip with one hand. Looking in the front, we have this nice bright orange inner pocket. I like the way this looks, actually. A little bit of dust from the manufacturing process in there, but that's fine. Got the little strappies there. And then the normal inner mesh. And then in the lid, you have the mesh, the solid pocket, and Goruck Carryology GR2 built in the USA. Finally, we have the main compartment. This is the same with the mesh, or the webbing in here. The pocket here for a ruck plate, though I don't know if you're going to be using this going rucking. Maybe stick a laptop or a notebook in there or something. And then this, I don't know, something just really looks nice about this big sheet of orange for me. I think that's very classy. Certainly high vis lining if you're looking to see anything. And finally, over here, we have that nice leather on the top, leather on the bottom handle here. This actually feels pretty nice to the touch. We don't have that on the bullet. The bullet is all webbing, but over here it's a nice leather feel. Make sure you can see that. And also, we've got the same thing on the bottom, another one of these leather handles. So when you're putting it up in the overhead bin, you can make sure you get it out nice and easy. And then behind there, we have Goruck straps. These look pretty tough like the normal ones. And we have the laptop compartment. And this too has that YKK Ultra or AquaGuard zipper. I keep wanting to say Ultra Guard. Anyway, zipping this up, let's compare that with the normal GR2 34 liter. This one's all full. We actually just got back from a trip and it's still packed up. Anyway, we have here, the main difference is there are the zippers. These main zippers here have the rain covers, but these ones do not because they have the AquaGuard zippers. And overall, I'd say the zipping experience is pretty comparable, mainly just a preference thing. Obviously, it's a different look. This has it covered, this does not. And then you have the material. Here we have the Cordura, and here we have the X-Pack. And then once more, looking over behind the handles, this one has the Velcro for the water bladder. And it looks like this one also has the Velcro for the water bladder. So no quick access here, but we do have that. And finally, one thing I wanted to do was fill this up with a little bit. So let's say I have, I'm going traveling and I just unboxed this. I don't know how this is going to fit, but first I'm going to try to stick this new bullet over in the front, see if that fits there. Got to get these straps. But yeah, as far as packing a bag within the bag, we can fit that 15-liter Caden bullet in the front of the Caden GR2. And then over here, I just have my Peak Design packing cubes. Still haven't unpacked from that trip. And then these fit in easily with the bullet in the front. Also, I'm going to try, let's see if I can do the bullet and the packing cubes all in the main compartment. Yeah, so that zips easily, which means that up here I can fit, my kit with items that I like to travel with, my toiletry kit, and here's a sweater. Yeah, and these zippers, very smooth for an AquaGuard zipper. And here I have everything I took with me on my recent trip, except also that new bullet, all in the GR2 Kaiden. And if I wanted, I could attach this to the front and fit something else in it. So there you have it, the Goruck Carryology Kaiden collab. I think these are pretty nice. If you're looking at getting one, I think there are probably a few people who are going to be selling them on the secondary market. And if you like content like this, please make sure you put a thumbs up on this video, smash the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Thank you all very much, and have a good day.